Okay, so we're looking at the third and final practice paper, the mock one. And we can see here where it's about fractions again, because we know we're going to ask a question on that. So here we go. In order to do this, it says here, work out the distance from Atrium to Rattlesnake. So if we just look at here, we can see it's going to be 1 3/4 plus 3 1/3. So add the 1 and the 3 together to make 4, and then add the 3/4 with the 1/3. Common denominator, it's going to be 12, 3 4s, so 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4. Add that to make 13 over 12, which is 1 over 12. When you make it as mixed, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 over 12. So then it says here, work out the distance from Rattlesnake to Tomb. So here we go, it's from there to there, so it's a difference. So I'm going to take the top minus the lowest, the highest minus the lowest one. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do 9 take away 1 is 8. I am going to do that, and then a quarter take away 3/4. A quarter take away 3/4 is minus a half. And that's really quite, I think it makes it easier in this particular case. So it's literally going to be 8 minus a half, which is 7.5. Here, calculate the area of the rectangle. So it's literally going to be 7 over 9 times 1 over 5. When you multiply, you just simply times the top together, 7 and the bottom together. But it then does say, must include suitable units. So you have to include m square. Okay, m to the power of 2 meters squared. And then here we go for fractional indices, a whole string of these. Evaluate each of the following. So 9 to 3 over 2, split that into two parts. First do 9 to the half, which is the square root of 9 is 3. 3 to the power of 3 is 27, 3 times 3 times 3. 4 to the 3 over 2, so that's 4 to the half. So the square root of 4 is 2, 2 to the 3 is 8, 2, 4, 8. Here, do the third bit, so 8 to the third is 2, and 2 squared, 2 2s are 4. 27 to the third is 3, 3 squared is 9. Arrange the following in order, smallest first. Well, that means the square root of 25 is 5. 8 to the third is 2, squared is 4. Notice we see these regularly. 27 to the third is 3. So in fact, it's the other way around, isn't it? So that one, then that one. Okay, here, evaluate this. 25 to the half is 5, divided by 2 to the minus 2. The minus means it's 1 over, so it's 1 over 2 squared, which is a quarter. 5 divided by a quarter, here's the trick, keep, change, flip. So keep that one, change that to multiplication and swap that around, so it becomes 5 times 4 is 20. Right in order from smallest to largest. Okay, well, that's if W equals is greater than 1. This has to work where it's greater than 1. That is always equals to 1. That's going to be quite a high number. I can sort this out, so that's 1 over W, and then this one is 1 over W squared. So effectively, if W is greater than 1, then here you go. That's the smallest number, then that one, because that's, imagine, say, 10. That's 1 over 10 squared is 100th, a 10th, 1,000, and 1. So just by substituting a value in will help you work that out. And then here, Isaac claims that the values of 2 of the numbers below are equal. I actually can't find any that are. 9 to the minus 3 over 2, so 3 parts. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Minus means 1 over 27. 3 to the minus 2. 3 squared is 9, minus means 1 over 9. Here, really nice question. Times it by 1,000 to get one whole cycle out, 032, 037, 037, etc. And then just take one little set out, and you can see by doing that, I get 37, 999. So it's 37 and 999. I don't think that looks like any of those. Might be wrong. And then 2 to the minus 3 is 1 over 8. That's the only one I could contemplate, but I just don't think it goes anywhere. So I think Isaac's claim is wrong. So, okay, and let's just do these ones quickly. Okay, I thought this was messy first, so I kind of made a silly mistake. Rebecca bought a dress for £80, later sold it for 116, find out percentage profit, difference divided by original. Now, you can't see it, but I thought that was the original. 80 is the original. So it's 36, because that's the difference, divided by 80 times 100. And it's just a lot of cancelling down. The 100 can be divided by 80, knock off the naught, and then divide by 2, so you get 5 over 4. And then 4 is going to 36 9 times. So eventually, if you do it, you'll get 45%. And then here, Jacobs buys a watch costing £84. The cost includes 20% VAT. How much was it without? So essentially, £84 is 1.2. It's 120% because it's added the 20%. So effectively 84 is 1.2. So I need to divide 84 by 12 is 7. So that becomes 70. Hopefully that makes sense to you all.